We will be back in France this coming holiday, I said while looking at the window watching my kids play with their father. What about the investors, ma'am? They're waiting for you. I sighed and scratches my eyebrow. These investors are very important with me, so I need to go back to France, but I just can't right now, dahil nag-aaral pa ang tatlo. I'll think about it, I said. I'll call you. Hindi ko na hinintay ang sasabihin nito dahil ibinaba ko na ang tawag ng kumaway-kaway ang dalawang prinsesa sa akin. Mommy, let's play, Sapphire said playing with her doll on the table. Matamis naman akong ngumiti, bago naglakad palapit sa kanila, at naglakad paupo sa tabi ni Gemstone, na tahimik na naglalaro. What are you guys playing? I said and wiped Sapphire forehead. We are playing the castle, mama, Amber said and picked up a doll. This is me, a princess, and those one, she said pointing Sapphire Barbie doll, and Gemstone Ken doll. Kaya pala kanina pa nakasimangot, pinilit na naman maglaro ng doll. Are the prince and the other princess of the castle Gemstone and Sapphire? I chuckled and pinched Gemstone's face who's frowning. Why do I need to play this? It's because you loved us, Sapphire said rolling her eyes. Since you're here, mama, you should hold these. She picked up a doll with a beautiful crown on her hair. This is you because you are the queen, and this is, she said and snatched the other doll on Gabriel's hand, is daddy, because he's your king, and we are all happy loving each other. Agad akong nag-iwas ng tingin. Makita ang pagngiti ni Gabriel. He is no king, Gemstone whispered rolling his eyes. Gemstone, mahina kong bulong. Pero inirapan lang ako nito. Mama, Uncle, Daddy said that they're going back in France next week. Are we going home too? Marahan akong umiling, at pinisil ang pisngi ni Sapphire. No, tatapusin niyo muna ang school season here. Is Daddy coming with us? Amber innocently asked. Agad nadam ako ang aking mata kay Gabriel, na nakatingin din pala sa akin. Agad kong kinuha ang cellphone ko nang tumunog ito. One good thing cause we evade the topic. Mama is just gonna answer it, I said at mabilis na tumayo. Gio, hey Natasha, he said, do you have time this Sunday? Sunday is family day in their school. Malamang na wala akong time. I'm sorry pero may lakad kasi ako ng Sunday. Family day sa school ng mga anak ko. I heard him sigh bago ito sumagot. Ganoon ba? Malungkot na wika niya, is Gabriel coming? Marahan akong tumungo, kahit hindi iyon nakikita ni Gio, Gabriel is a big part of my kid's life. Yes, I said, I'm sorry. Tatawag na din sana ako para imbitahin ka. Saan? Excited na tanong nito, kaya't natawa ako. Nagbabalak kasi ang mga kaibigan ko ng outing next weekend. Panimula ko, I was just wondering if you wanna join us. Sure, mabilis na sagot ni Gio. Just tell me the details and I'll be there. Sure, PM na lang kita. Nang may baba ang tawag ay humarap ako sa apat na patuloy na naglalaro, but I gulped when Gabriel's eyes darted into mine. Kaya't agad akong nag-iwas ng tingin, at naglakad palapit sa lamesa. Oh my God, Sapphire said na tila problemado. What is it, baby? Baling ni Gabriel sa kanyang anak. Is there a problem? Sapphire slowly nodded and averted her gaze to his father. Big problem, Daddy. Ano yun? Tanong ko at hinawakan ang kamay ni Sapphire. I forgot to tell you that we should prefer a performance for Family Day, Mama. How can you forget that? Inis na wika ni Amber. What? Do you remember it? Bored na wika nito, at nakipagsukatan ng tingin sa kapatid. Enough. Let's think, okay? It's just easy, I said. What about singing? Gemstone and I both groaned. Can you sing? Gemstone grumpily said. If you can, then sing. How about dancing? Amber said, with a little bit of drama. I mean the castle, we can make it real. Oh my God. You are so smart, Amber. Sapphire said and high-five with Amber. I know, right? I love you, my king. Naiilang kong wika, at mabilis na nag-iwas ng tingin kay Gabriel, na ngayon ay nakahawak sa baywang ko. Mama, you should put some emotions on your line, wika ni Sapphire, at naglakad palapit sa amin ni Gabriel na nakatayo. She jumped on the table, and put my hands on Gabriel's neck. You should put your hands around Daddy's neck, so it will appear sweet. Marahan na lang akong tumungo, at malalim na bumantong hininga, bago mariing pumikit. Yaya, play the music again, Amber said. Nang muling tumunog ang musika, ay magkahilig lang ang aming mga mata, na nagsasayaw kasabay ang tugtog. Ever just the same, ever a surprise. I love you my king, pilit kong wika habang nakahilig ang mga kamay ni Gabriel, na nasa aking baywang. I love you so much my queen, he said, that makes my heart flutter. Nanlaki ang aking mata nang dahan-dahan niyang elapit ang kanyang mukha sa akin. Wala sa script yan, nauuto kong wika. I know, he whispered, bago lumayo ang kanyang katawan sa akin. That was epic, sabay na wika ng dalawa, habang nakatingin sa amin. Matapos ang ilang oras na pag-practice, ay nasa salas pa rin kami upang kumain ng merienda. Nagugutom na raw kasi ang tatlo, kaya't nagpa-deliver na lang ako ng pizza. Gemstone, dahan-dahan hindi ka mauubusan, I said dahil ang dalawang pizza, ay sabay nitong kinakain. I get that Gemstone has a big appetite. But we should teach our child the right manner, that they need to follow. I'm sorry mama, he said at kumuha ng Coke, pero wala na itong laman, kaya't dahan-daang tumingin ang mga mata nito kay Gabriel. Please pour me some, he said and averted his gaze away. Mabilis naman na kumilos si Gabriel, at inasikaso ang anak na may ngiti sa labi. Mama, Uncle, Daddy and Tita Kat told us that we are going with them tomorrow. Marahan naman akong tumango. Hiniram kasi ni Nash ang mga bata para daw may pasyal. Oo, Uncle Daddy already told me about that. Yehey! Sabay na sigaw ng tatlo. At nag-appear pa bago muling kumain. But you should be obedient, okay? Mabilis naman na tumango ang tatlo. Matapos kumain ay sandali lang sila nagpahinga, bago bumalik sa garden. Natasha, Gabriel whispered, that made me frost, inaayos ko kasi ang mga pinagkainan. Kaya't akala ko ay nasa garden na rin siya. Hey, what's up? Cool kung wika, not averting my gaze to him, wala ka bang pasok? Wala, he whispered. Natasha, please let's talk. Nag-uusap na tayo Gabriel, bored kung sabi bago siya hinarap. Natasha, please hear me out, he said, pleading, just give me a chance. Please hear me out. I sighed and massaged my temple, bago bumaling sa may bintana, kung saan makikita mo ang tatlo na naglalaro. Bibigyan kita ng pagkakataong magpaliwanag Gabriel, but please not now, I said. Hindi ko pa kaya, alam kong may katwiran ka, at pakikinggan ko iyon, just please give me some time. Bitbit ang mga plat itong pinagkainan, ay nilagpasan ko siya ngunit tila napako ako sa aking kinatatayuan, nang muli siyang magsalita. Natasha, mahal na mahal kita, he said. I'm sorry if you're pressured, I just want to have my chance, hindi ko na kayang makita kayo ni Gio, na palaging magkasama, halos mamatay na ako sa selos, galit at inggit sa tuwing kausap mo siya, at napapasaya ka niya. Wika niya sa nahihirapang boses, I can wait but I'm scared that he'll take you away from me. Ma'am Natasha, delivery daw po para sa inyo, Jayla said nang makapasok siya sa opisina ko. Kanino naman galing? Tak ang tanong ko. Hindi po sinabi ma'am, she said. Dito ko na lang po ilalagay. Tumango lang ako bago tumayo, at naglakad palapit sa bouquet, na nasa ibabaw ng lamesa ko. It's a pink roses, that is actually my favorite. Kanino galing ito? Wala sa sarili. Kung tanong, at dinampot ang bouquet para tignan kung may card ba or indication. And luckily mayroong card sa gilid. Mabilis na kumulabog ang dibdib ko nang mabasa ang laman ng card. Have a great day my queen, GM. I sighed and roamed my eyes around my office. Sa loob ng 5 araw, ay parating nagpapadala si Gabriel ng mga bulaklak sa akin, it's either flower, foods, ice cream or chocolate. Bakit pa nga ba ako nagtanong kung kanino galing ito? May pa food na may pa flowers pa. I said and scratched my head. Flashback. Then let me win you back, he whispered, that made me frost. I will win your forgiveness, and your heart, Natasha. I chuckled mockingly, bago humarap sa kanya. I can forgive you, Gabriel. I'm no god, but winning my heart back, that won't happen, determinado kong sabi. Handa akong magpatawad, pero ang ipagsapalaran muli ang puso ko, ay hindi ko na yun magagawa pa. I'm tired and hurt enough, tama na ang ilang beses na pagpapakatanga. I saw him smile before walking towards me. His hands are inside his pocket. Just wait and see, my queen, he said and leaned towards me. That made me frost. I know that it will be hard to open your heart again for me. But I will do my best. You know me, Natasha. I sighed and looked away. Ye, kilala kita, mahina kong bulong, bago ibalik ang aking mata sa kanyang mukha. Dahan-dahan kong inilapag sa may gilid ang mga hawak ko, my hand slowly moved and my fingers slowly touched his face, tracing his perfect jawline towards his lips. I know you, Gabriel Mondragon, I said, leaning on his tears. But let me ask you this, do you still know me? I smiled wickedly before standing straight, still looking at his orbs. I'm no longer Natasha Ramirez, you know, I said in a cold tone. I won't let you and your love fool me again. Mabilis akong tumalikod, at maglalakad na sana nang muli siyang magsalita, puno ito ng lungkot at pag-asa. You don't know me either, Natasha, he whispered in a sad tone. I know your past, but you don't know mine. I sighed and shrugged that thought off. I know he have his reason, but my mind is still shut close for him. Magbibigay naman ako ng pagkakataon, sana lang wag niya akong madaliin. It's hard to move on since my past is so dark, that it's dragging me down. I hate that man. Agad akong napakurap-kurap ng pabalyang pumasok sa opisina ko si Jane. He's so annoying. I chuckled and walked towards my table, to put the flowers on the shelf. Sayang naman wala namang kasalanan ang mga bulaklak sa akin. What happened to you? I said. I met someone on the way here. Alam mo bang nabangga niya ang sasakyan ko? Mabilis akong tumayo at lumapit sa pwesto ni Jane. Are you okay? Oh my God. I'm fine. My car is not. Kakabili ko lang nun, naiiyak niyang wika. I will sue that man. Then bakit dumiretso ka pa dito? Pumunta kaya tayo sa pulis? I'll handle it, she said and flipped her hair. Teka, bakit ang dami mong bulaklak dito? Magtatayo ka ng flower shop. I sighed. Bigay ni Gabriel. Nanlaki na ang mata nito, bago mabilis na humarap sa akin. Ulit. Marahan akong tumungo at napakagatlabi. Ang haba talaga ng hairdo mo, she said bago haltakan ang buhok ko na inirapan ko lang. So sino ang balak mo sagutin? Anong balak? I said, frowning. Wala pa sa isip ko yan. I'm more focused on my kids. Aish. Tatanda ka talagang dalaga, irap niya at tumayo upang lumapit sa mini freezer. Chocolates. Wala na bang ibang lamanta? Hindi na ako sumagot at inirapan na lang siya, bago tumayo at naglakad palapit sa lamesa ko. Martin has been calling me, the investors wants me there, I said and massaged my temple. Well, how about the kids then? Jane said bago naglakad pabalik sa sofa. Nagbabalak ako na sa holiday season na lang umuwi. You know that these investors are important, right? I sighed. Very important. I know. Kaya lang paano ang triplets? I said. Ayun din ang iniisip ko, Jane said. Hindi ko naman pwedeng iwan ang triplets dito sa Pilipinas, habang nasa France ako. Why don't you leave them with their father? 3 araw ka lang naman sa France. Suhesyon ni Jane. But, I know you have doubt, but he's their father, Natasha. I'm sure he will take care of them. At saka malay mo mapalambot na niya si Gemstone. I know, I sighed. Mama, the family day is tomorrow. Excited na wika ni Sapphire na naglulukso pa sa kama ko. They're having a sleepover, wala si Gabriel, dahil may importante daw itong aasikasuhin. I know baby, so you should rest now to gain a lots of energy tomorrow. Mabilis naman na tumungo ito, bago padapang nahiga sa kama. Well, how was your date with Daddy Uncle? I said, did you guys have fun? It's good, Mama. We went in a zoo, a park and playground, Gemstone said while brushing my hair. Let's go there too mama with that old man. Natawa na lang ako sa sinabi ni Gemstone. At hindi na kumibo. Jane is right. Habang naririto ako, ay mas lalong lalayo si Gemstone sa kanyang ama. Don't call him old man. He's your father, Amber said. Nakakapasok lang ng pinto, may dala-dala itong plato na may lamang French fries. Yaya Linda, give this to me mama. I know baby, I said and signed her to move on the bed. Kain na and then sleep, maaga pa tayo bukas. Tumango lang si Amber at nagsimula ng kumain, kaya't lumapit na si Gemstone sa kapatid at nakikain na rin. Matapos kumain ang dalawa, ay pinaghugas ko muna sila ng kamay, bago iayos sa kama. Kanina patulog ang tatlo, pero ako ay gising na gising pa. Thank you mama, rinig kong bulong ni Sapphire, bago dahan-dahang imulat ang mapupungay niyang mata. Thank you for making us happy. I smiled and caressed her cheek. Mama always wants your happiness my dear, I said and kissed her forehead. Mama wake up. Yugyog ni Sapphire sa inang tulog pa rin. Hanggang ngayon it's already alas 7:30, and they need to be in school at alas 8:30, pero si Natasha ay nakahiga pa rin sa kama. Mama naman, gising ka na. They are really trying to learn Tagalog, since may Filipino subject sila sa school, pero minsan talaga ay nababaliktad nila ang mga salita. Daddy, Mama is still sleeping. Nakasimangot na wika ni Sapphire, siya ang unang nagising dahil sa sobrang pagka-excited. Kagigising lang din ng dalawa, at inaasikaso na ng mga yaya nila. Baba ka muna and I will wake mama up okay. Bulong ni Gabriel sa anak na nakasimangot na. Kanina pa siya narito nakasabay na nga niya nag-almusal ang triplets, pero si Natasha ay tulog pa. Opo daddy, Sapphire said at tumalon pababa sa kama ni Natasha, at tumakbo palabas ng pinto. Kaya't siya naman ay napangiti nang makita ang tulog na dalaga. Tulog mantika pa rin talaga, he said and moved to Natasha's side, wake up sleepyhead. But Natasha didn't move, still sleeping. He chuckled and slowly moved his face to her and was about to kiss her when she opened her eyes. What are you doing? Natasha said. Naririnig na niya ang boses ni Sapphire pero ang akala niya ay panaginip ito. So when she felt her bed move and heard Gabriel's voice, ay nagtaka na siya at pilit na gumising. Good morning, he said and kissed Natasha's forehead instead. Kanina ka pa ginising ng mga bata. Lumayo na ang katawan nito sa dalaga, kaya't nakahinga siya ng maluwag. Napuyat kasi siya kagabi, dahil sa dami ng kanyang iniisip. Hanggang sa inabot na siya ng alas 5 ng madaling araw. Morning, naiilang niyang wika, bago sumandal sa headboard ng kama. She simply bite her lips and look at Gabriel, who's smiling from ear to ear. Saan ang mga bata? Our babies is all set, ikaw na lang ang hinihintay namin. Maaga pa naman, wika niya at tumingin sa wall clock, pero napatayo siya nang nakita ang oras, oh my god. She was about to jump out of the bed, when her foot get caught by the comforter, kaya't ang ending ay muli siyang palakda sa kama. Sa ibabaw ni Gabriel. She gulped and looked into his orbs. Magkalapit ang kanilang mga mukha, na halos maglapat na ang kanilang labi. Her heart is beating erratically fast in their position. I'm sorry, nahihiya niyang wika, at tatayo na sana nang higpitan ni Gabriel ang pagkakayakap sa bewang niya. I love you Natasha, Gabriel whispered and tucked her hair on her ears. Good morning. Mabilis na inayos ng dalaga ang sarili, at lumayo sa binatang na natiling nakahiga sa kanyang kama. Kaya't dinampot niya ang unan at hinampas dito. Labas na, she said at muli itong hinampas na ikinatawa ni Gabriel. He immediately stood up, and grabbed a pillow. Nope, not until you kiss me, he said smirkang. Mas lalo tuloy siyang natuwa, nang makita ang pangangamates ng mukha ng dalaga. Ano, nababaliw ka na talaga, she said and ran towards Gabriel, bago ito hampasin ng unan. Labas na kasi, we need to be at school on time. Okay fine, Gabriel said still laughing, so grumpy. Iiling-iling na naglakad palapit si Gabriel sa pinto, bago muling bumaling kay Natasha, na nakapamiwang at nakatingin din sa kanya. I miss this, he said and smiled, before leaving the room. Oh my god, I'm so excited, Sapphire said, we should do the bunny jump. I'm a competitor. Me too. Sabay na sigaw ni Amber at Gemstone, kaya't napatawa ako. They really look so happy. And that makes me complete. We should win. I want that gold medal, Mama, Sapphire said. Then we should really work hard, wika ako. The triplets are really competitive. Di ko nga alam kung saan sila nagmana, but they only want what's best, at hindi sila titigil hanggat hindi nakukuha iyon. Nag-practice kami po sa house yung nag-jump with Saka. It's Sako Sapphire, Amber said, correcting her sister. Oh, I want the pangit lupa. Gemstone said, na ikinatawa ko they are really trying their best to master Tagalog. It's langit lupa, Gemstone. Amber said, rolling her eyes. You guys should really pay more attention in class. Agad naman na napasimangot ang dalawa sa sinabi ni Amber. Ang sarap nilang tignan, wika ni Gabriel na nakatingin pala sa rear view. Pagsangayon ko na may ngiti sa labi, kamusta na pala sila tito? Well, ever since I left ay wala na akong naging balita sa mag-asawa. Tito and tita was always been good to me, kaya't hindi ko makakalimutan ang utang na loob ko sa kanila. Still kikang some, Gabriel said and glanced at me, before winking na inirapan ko lang. Do you want to see them? I sighed. Hindi ko alam kung may mukha pa akong ihaharap sa kanila, matapos ang lahat ng nangyari. They're not mad, Natasha, wika ni Gabriel na tila nababasa ang nasa isip ko. They are just worried and sad. Agad akong nag-iwas ng tingin. Dahil sa hiyang nadarama, sila ang tumayong magulang ko nang mamatay ang parents ko, sa isang aksidente. Tito and tita never treated me differently. Sige, let's meet them, pero pagbalik ko na galing France, mahina kong bulong, hindi pa kasi alam ng triplets na aalis ako. France. Gabriel whispered and glanced on me. What are you gonna? Don't worry, babalik ako, I said, rolling my eyes, at saka di ko isasama ang mga bata. Let's just talk when this is over, okay? He just nodded and continued driving. Ilang minuto pa ang lumipas ay nasa tapat na kami ng school. Mabilis na bumaba ang tatlo, at lumapit sa kanilang advisor. Hello Ramirez triplets. Masayang bati ng kanilang guro. Agad akong napakagatlabi nang makita ang sakit, at lungkot sa mata ni Gabriel. I never registered my child as his. They're carrying my surname. Miss Ramirez, the teacher said and shake our hands. I'm like Marilla, your daughter and son's teachers. A pleasure to meet you, I said and cleared my throat. Well, this is Gabriel Mondragon, daddy nila. A pleasure, Mr. Mondragon, like I said. Well, anyway, since it's about to start, why don't we settle down, no? Mabilis na tumungo ang tatlo, at sumunod sa kanilang guro, habang nakamasid lang kami ni Gabriel. Maupo na tayo. Naiilang kong wika at naunang naupo sa tabi ng triplets, dahil sa pananahimik ni Gabriel. Good day, parents. The MC said and waved her hands to the crowd. Marami na sa ating mga mommy ang nakakakilala sa akin dito. But to formally introduce myself, I am Jackie Kapulong, the principal, together with the council. I would like to welcome you all as a part of our family. Malakas na palakpakan at hiyawan, kasama na ang mga batang kasing edad lang ng mga anak ko. I know that you are all excited to start our family day, but let's all stand up prayer, first to start our day. Katahimikan ng bumalot sa buong paligid, nang simulang tumugtog ang isang kantang pangsimbahan, kasabay ng pagsasalita ng MC. Lahat ay nakapikit at nanalangin. Makalipas ang ilang minuto, ay muli kaming nagdilat ng mata, at naupo sa aming designated seats. Well, let's start the family day. Mabilis na tumayo ang triplets, at nagtatatalon sa tuwa, bago lumapit sa amin. Ang unang laro ay sack race, kung saan ang player ay ang ama ng mga bata at isang anak. It should be Gemstone and Daddy, Sapphire said. Why me? Bulyo ni Gemstone na nakasimangot ang mukha. It's a boys game, Gemstone. Irap ni Amber, kaya't walang nagawa ang dalawa, kung hindi ang sumunod sa dalawang bossy na prinsesa. Nakangiti lang ako habang nanunood sa kanila. And when we heard the signal, the duo started jumping like a crazy lion hungry for his prey. Go Daddy! Go Gemstone! Sigaw ng dalawa habang ako ay natatawang nakatingin lang, at nanunood sa mga naglalaro. Go baby! I said cheering for Gemstone. Gabriel looked at me, and winked na ikinapula ng mukha ko. Panalo sila, sigaw ng dalawang babae, at nagyakap pa sa tuwa. They won? My smile grew even wider, when I saw Gemstone hugging his father. But when he realized what just happened, he immediately looked away and pouted. You guys are great, I said and hugged my baby Gemstone, who's still pouting. Of course baby, someone is cheering so I need to win. Gabriel said with a smile plastered on his face, kaya't inirapan ko lang siya. That's for Gemstone, I said at binuhat ang anak ko ngayon, ay nakangiti na. The next game is three-legged race, so Sapphire and Amber choose to be the player. Go baby! Malakas kong sigaw nang marinig ang signal, na umpisa na ang laro. Agad akong napasinghap ng matamba ang dalawa. But since they are a fighter, ay mabilis itong tumayo, at pinagpatuloy ang laro and they won again. That's my girls, Gabriel said at lumuhad upang pagpagaan ang uniform ng dalawa na nadumihan. Hi Miss Ramirez, sorry for the interruption. But you and Mr. Mondragon should wear this shirt, wika ni Ma'am Laika. Mabilis naman akong tumango at kinuha ang white t-shirt na inaabot nito. Hindi ko na inabalang tignan ang print, at mabilis na nagpaalam sa tatlo, na magbibihis lang ganoon rin si Gabriel. Nang makalabas ng comfort room, ay naglakad na ako pabalik, kung saan naiwan ang tatlo. Hey guys, I said at inilabas ang bimpo sa bulsa, para panasan ang mga noo nila. Nasaan si Daddy? He buy us too big mama, Sapphire said. Tumango lang ako at inayos ang bimpo sa kanilang mga likuran. Are you enjoying my babies? Of course mama, especially that you and daddy are here. Amber said and hugged me. Ganoon rin ang ginawa ni Gemstone at Sapphire. Excuse me Team White, itatanong ko lang sana kung sino ang sasali sa next game. What laro po? Gemstone innocently asked. Apple bite po, she said at pinaliwanag sa amin ang mechanics. So sino po ang gustong maglaro? Mama and Daddy. Baby why don't you and Gemstone? Alright fine, I said when they used their puppy eyes on me. Sakto naman na dumating na si Gabriel. Dala ang tubig at konting snacks. Here, wika niya at inabot sa akin ang isang tubig at pagkain. Di ka na nakapag-breakfast kanina kaya kumain ka na. Nahihiyang inabot ko lang ito, bago naglakad palapit sa tatlo na kumakain rin. That shirt looks good on you mama, Amber said. Bigay yata ito para sa mga parents. They just chuckled before eating their snacks. Daddy, you and mama are gonna play bite an apple game. Sapphire said. Don't bite my mama old man. Gemstone said na ikinalaki ng mata ko. Gemstone, what? He boredly said before looking away. I'm sorry about that, wika ko kay Gabriel na nakatingin pala sa akin. That's nothing Natasha, he said. Makalat ka pa ring kumain. Nanlaki ang mata ko nang panasan niya ang bibig ko. Para ka pa ring bata, he said and looked away. At ako naiwan lang na nakatingin pa rin sa kanya. I sighed and hold my chest so tight. This can't be happening, seriously bawal ang marupok. Go mama, go daddy, bite harder. Rinig kong sigaw ng matinis na boses ni Sapphire sa di kalayuan. Medyo mahirap kasi para kay Gabriel ang situation, dahil matangkad siya at yukong-yuko. Mag-alaw pa ang mansanas na nakatali sa sinulid. Kahit naiilang ay pinilit ko na lang natapusin ang laro. Go mama, you can do it. I heard Gemstone cheering. Wala pa sa kalahati ang nakakagat ko, dahil medyo malalaki ang mansanas na nakatali, kaya't matagal talagang kainin. I chuckled when I saw Gabriel's serious face, who's biting the apple. He looked at me with his what's with you look, na hindi ko na pinansin, at muling binigay ang buong atensyon sa pagkagat sa mansanas. I'm sorry guys, I said, natalo kasi kami sa apple bite. Ang hirap naman kasi tapos si Gabriel pa ang kapartner. It's okay mama, there is still a final event. Sapphire said. Okay, babawi tayo sa event, I said and pinched her cheeks. Mag-aalas 5 na rin, at medyo padilim na. Matapos ang mahabang araw, at maraming laro ay nakaramdam ako ng pagod ng katawan, pero agad iyong napawi nang makita ang kasiyahan sa mukha ng triplets. Are you okay? Agad akong napalingon nang maupo si Gabriel sa tabi ko. I just nodded and continued watching them play with their classmates. They look happy, I said, thank you. Ramdam ko ang mga titig ni Gabriel sa akin, pero pinagsawalang bahala ko iyon. For what? For being here. Simula nang mag-aral ang tatlo, at si Nash ang parati naming kasama tuwing family day. My kid seems happy too. But their happiness right now. It's priceless. I should be by your side all the time. But I choose to be a coward, Natasha. I can sense it. The sadness in his voice. I know it sounds that I'm defending myself. But I just want you to know that I did everything just to make you happy and safe. And I fail because I'm a coward who loves you from afar. Ni hindi kita magawang lapitan and I hate myself for that. Gabriel, I whispered, kusang gumalaw ang aking mga kamay, upang panasan ang mga luhang naglalandasan sa kanyang mga mata. Alright ladies and gents, the final events is about to start any minute, so we need to prepare chop. Good luck everyone. Agad akong napalingon ng patakbong lumapit sa amin ang triplets. Let's go mama. Excited na wika ni Sapphire, bago ako hilahin patayo. The day is full of enjoyment, and bonding with your family. So tonight before we end this family day of Oxford Learning School, we choose 10 students together with their family, to perform a short show for all of us in here. Thank you guys for participating. And I hope all of us will enjoy this show. Namamawis na ang kamay ko sa kaba, habang nag-aayos ng mukha sa harap ng salamin. Hindi man kami ang unang candidate, ay kinakabahan pa rin ako. Dahil hindi ako sanay sa mga ganitong patimpalak. Hey relax, rinig kong tinig ni Gabriel. They won't bite you. Matalim ang tingin na ibinato ko sa kanya, kaya tumawa lang siya. You promised them Natasha, Gabriel said, we can do this right. Malalim akong bumantong hininga, bago ipagpatuloy ang aking pag-aayos. Madali lang sabihin pero mahirap gawin. Palibas sa may experience. Irap ko. Naalala ko tuloy noong sumali sila ni Trina sa Mr. and Miss Centro. Stop frowning, he chuckled and sit beside me. Hindi ko na siya pinansin, at patuloy na nag-ayos. After an hour finally ay magsisimula na ang contest. The first fair dance, while the second fair of family sing. They are so cool. Rinig kong wika ni Sapphire, habang nakatingin sa mga nagpi-perform, he's so cute mama. Who's cute? Gemstone said frowning. Nakatingin din ito sa batang lalaki na tinitignan ni Sapphire. He's gay. How can you say that? He's not gay. Birada naman ni Sapphire. He is gay. Pang-asar pa lalo ni Gemstone. Okay, that's enough, I said dahil nakasimangot na talaga si Sapphire. Is he cute mama? Baling nito sa akin. I just smiled and nodded. See, he's cute. Hindi na ito nakipagtalo pa sa kanyang kapatid, Gemstone just rolled his eyes. Agad akong napabaling sa aking gilid nang marinig ang hajihikan ng mga babae. Napasimangot ang mukha ko nang makitang si Gabriel ang tinitignan ng mga ito. Ang cute niya, rinig kong wika ng isa sa kanila. Kaso may anak na. Hindi naman daw kasal. May chance ka pa. Gusto kong lapirutin ang malalandi nilang labi sa inis. So I cleared my throat and walked towards Gabriel. Pwede ba ako maupo dito? Oo naman, he said and moved to give me some space. Agad akong napangiti at mabilis na naupo sa kanyang tabi. Babies, dito kayo kay mama at daddy, I said, at pinagpag ang kamay para tawagin ang tatlo. Mas lalong lumawak ang ngiti ko, nang makita ang pag-alis ng mga babaeng nagkukumpulan. Why mama? Amber said and placed her head on my lap. Wala naman, dito na lang tayo, wika ko. Are you scared mama? Gemstone said, don't worry, we will win this. Ngumiti naman ako at isa-isa silang hinalikan sa noo. Lumipas pa ang ilang performance, at kasunod na kami sa sasalang. Kaya tumayo na ako, upang magbihis dahil nakasettled na ang tatlo. I sighed and looked at my gown. It's a yellow gown inspired by Belle's gown, in Beauty and the Beast since it's our theme. Kaya mo ito Natasha, I said trying to cheer myself up for the kids. Matapos makapagbihis at makapag-ayos ng buhok, ay dahan-dahan akong lumabas sa dressing room. Wow mama, Sapphire said nang paglingon niya ay nakasalubong niya ang mga mata ko. Sabay naman na lumingon ang tatlo. My heart beats erratically fast, when I saw Gabriel eyes checking me. Hanggang sa makalapit ako, ay hindi pa rin nawawala ang kanyang mata sa akin. Wow mama, you really look like a queen. Gemstone said with admiration in his eyes, what do you think old man? Agad akong napangiwi sa sinabi ni Gemstone.at tumingin kay Gabriel na nakatulala pa rin. Mama is ravishing, wala sa sariling bulong niya. Whatever, Gemstone said and looked away. The next performers are the new students here. They came from France, and choose to trust Oxford to be their second home. Well, let's all welcome Team White. Dahan-dahan na naglakad ang tatlong bull-inggit sa stage, habang ako ay nakahawak sa aking dibdib, at nakatingin sa kanila na nagsisimula ng mag-perform. Sapphire has a good singing voice, while the two is acting and interpreting the song. Oh no! Sigaw ni Amber bilang parte ng kanilang performance, we must hurry. The time is ticking, and the curse might not lift. I can't breathe. Marteng wika ni Gemstone.at na pahawak pa sa dibdib. The whole venue became silent when the light died. And a voice of angry animal roared. I felt Gabriel hand holding mine. We can do this, Natasha. Gabriel whispered, just look into my eyes. Marahan naman akong tumungo, bago malalim na bumantong hininga. And when the music started, ay agad akong naglakad palabas ng stage, hawak ang kamay ni Gabriel. He's wearing a beast mask, but under that mask is a handsome prince. Tale as old as time. True as it can be. Barely even friends, then somebody bends unexpectedly. My heart beats erratically fast, when Gabriel pulled my waist. His hands were firm, holding me as if I'm fragile. Pabilis ng pabilis ang pagtibok ng aking puso, habang magkahilig ang aming mga katawan na sumasabay sa musika. His blue orbs are beautiful, that I felt hypnotized just by looking at it. Ever just the same, ever a surprise, ever as before, ever just as sure, as the sun will rise. Tila isa kaming prinsesa at prinsipe, na patuloy lang sa pagsayaw kasabay ang tugtog. My heart is beating erratically fast. Not because we are performing, but because of Gabriel. Tale as old as time song, as old as rhyme, Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast. And when the music stopped, we both stopped dancing. His hands moved to cup my face as the part of the script. I love you, I said as if I'm used on saying those words to him. I love you so much, my queen, wika ni Gabriel at mabilis na tinanggal ang maskara. He slowly moved his face towards mine. I chuckled. Wala ito sa script, I said, not minding that we still have a lapel. I know, he said, but I still want to kiss you. Hindi na ako nakatanggi, nang maramdaman ang paglapat ng kanyang mga labi sa akin. Tila nasa isa akong portal na walang lalabasan, dahil kusang pumikit ang aking mga mata, at ninamnam ang marahang paghalik ni Gabriel sa aking labi. Natauhan na lang ako nang marinig ang hiyawan, at sigawan ng mga manunood sa amin. Kaya't mabilis akong umiwas at napayuko. Nakakahiya, I said and covered my face with my hands. Naramdaman ko na lang ang paghila sa akin ni Gabriel, palapit sa kanyang katawan, at ang pagyakap ng maliliit na mga kamay sa akin. That was epic. Sabay-sabay na sabi ng tatlo, kaya't napangiti na lang ako. Meanwhile from afar someone is watching, with anger in her jet black eyes. She wants to tear that smile on their faces. She took everything from me. The woman said who's watching, at Gabriel and Natasha. Ang saya-saya ng mga ito, habang siya ay miserable. Mas lalong kumulo ang kanyang dugo, nang makita ang pagyakap ng tatlong bata kay Natasha. What do you want to do? The man said who's sitting beside her. Parang baliw itong tumawa, habang nakatingin sa limang masayang nagkukulitan. Took their happiness of course, she said and chuckled loudly. Attack them in their weaknesses. What are you thinking, Trina? The man beside her said. She smiled wickedly and licked her lips. Just wait and see, brother.